Before you start, remember to remove the gold pin from the roller. The connector between the motor and the cable running down from the transformer is circled in red in this example. Your connector may have yellow or green stripes. Open both sides of the connector and check for rust or melting. If detected, request a replacement. Touch both ends of the wires together, as shown, and press C or D on a 4-button remote, or A and B on a 2-button remote. Reverse the wires and repeat to ensure the motor runs both ways. If the motor does not run, the connector or cable is damaged and will need replacing. If all is good, rejoin the connector and replace the gold pin.